Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you a small gardening decoration idea. So let's start. Repurpose found object as container. Incorporate repurpose item as planters to add character to your garden. You might use antique metal watering cans, old wooden crates, or vintage sink as planters. Make sure they have proper drainage and are durable enough for outdoor conditions. You can treat or seal the items to prolong their performance. Add some rustic charm to your garden with a repurposed old cart wheel holding flowers. Around a bird feeder, a delightful way to attract feathered friends. Hanging basket plant stand is a great way to hang a small plant at your garden entryway. If you already have a pot in mind, you can make your own hanging pot with some ropes. Hanging planters can be a fairly low maintenance and a beautiful way to add some live plants. Hanging basket plant stand. Avoid having to attach a hook to your garden and try this hanging basket idea. This hanging basket plant stand is a great way. Wicker are idea for garden furniture. Showcase plant collection. Dedicated display area for your plant collection can be both usually appealing and practical. Ground plants with similar need together to make plant care more manageable and use varying height and structure to create visual interest. Remember to rotate your plants seasonal to accommodate changing light condition. So friends, please subscribe my channel and press icon button. So take care, bye bye.